Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Berkshire Hathaway detailed guide step by step clearly. To save with Berkshire Hathaway, start by understanding the company's investment philosophy. Research Warren Buffett's value investing principles, which focus on buying undervalued companies. Identify the types of companies Berkshire Hathaway invests in, such as insurance, energy, and consumer goods. Analyze the performance of Berkshire Hathaway's subsidiaries to gauge their stability and growth potential. Look into the company's annual reports and shareholder letters for insights into their strategies. Monitor the stock price of Berkshire Hathaway to determine the best entry point for investment. Consider purchasing Class A or Class B shares based on your investment strategy and budget. Evaluate the long-term potential of Berkshire Hathaway's holdings, prioritizing companies with strong competitive advantages. Use diversification strategies by investing in a mix of Berkshire Hathaway stocks and other assets. Automate your investments through a brokerage that allows for regular contributions to your Berkshire stock portfolio. Regularly review your investment performance to make informed decisions about holding or selling. Stay updated on market trends and economic factors that may impact Berkshire Hathaway's performance. Join investment groups or forums focused on Berkshire Hathaway to exchange ideas and strategies with other investors. Keep an eye on dividends and reinvest them to enhance your overall returns. Plan for the long term, as Berkshire Hathaway's investment approach emphasizes patience and discipline. Understand the risk factors associated with investing in any stock, including Berkshire Hathaway. Consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized investment advice tailored to your situation. Continue educating yourself about finance and investing to make smarter financial decisions. By following these steps, you can effectively save and potentially grow your wealth with Berkshire Hathaway. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.